What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another Lamine Yamal portrait from the World Cup final with his sunglasses on. With his, I think they're like signature glasses, white 3. So I did them with the World Cup trophy, but I thought I'd do one with the close-up on the glasses. A portrait. Might be a bit easier for some people. So let's try. So I'm going to start with those glasses, I think, because they're very sort of straight-lined kind of things. So we're just going to go across. So we're going to go just pretty straight across. All right, and then they kind of curve down the sides, right? So this is this sort of yellow or orange top that they have. So it kind of goes out and up. And this side will go behind his ear. So this side will go this way. Kind of curve down behind his ear then. And he's got some hair that kind of comes over it. We'll go change direction that way. It's very sort of, Back to the Future looking things. Cross. And then they're kind of 3D on the inside. So we've got this extra line that comes across the middle. And then this goes this way. But again, we get some like hair that kind of comes like down across this. So like some like hair spikes and stuff. Do 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 do. And then this goes down behind his ear. So we got the Y3 in here. Might as well do it while I'm here. So it's just Y. I think, is it his personal brand? I'm not sure. Let's roughly do a Y3 in there. And then the black part of the shades. So it kind of comes down on this side. And his nose is roughly here. It's not in the middle because he's looking over to the left. So it goes that way. And then the bridge of his nose is like here. So we get like this V sort of in there. And then there's another orange part. Coming around. There's another piece of glass on this side as well. Right, so we may as well do his nose then, coming out from here. So this is the bridge of his nose, dips in, dips out again, comes around the tip of the nose, underneath, and then we can just see sort of the skin of his nostril on this side. And then the other nostril there. It just curves around. This is then his mouth. So he's got a big top lip, right? His mouth is kind of open as well. So it just curves up, down. And then goes down the back of the lip, back down that way. And then we could have like just a line for his mouth going there, maybe like a top lip area. Right, so then we got a shadow in here, and then his top lip, because his mouth is slightly open. Then the bottom lip is kind of big. So it's just black in here then. Sometimes you can see teeth, but we'll just do it black, as if his mouth is just open. And then his bottom lip comes around. Just going that way. See a line for his chin. And then the chin will come down this way. It kind of like joins his neck. So it kind of goes down his neck and his Adam's apple kind of here. So it doesn't go up to his jaw. There's another line for the jaw there. We'll do the side of his face maybe. We got his cheek sticking out here. We go down, it kind of bumps a couple of times for his lips and his mouth and stuff, just going that way. Right, so his ear is here, so like his jaw will join, so let's say his jaw will join his earlobe, which is under this clump of hair here. So we'll do like his ear, and we're aiming for like this spot under here. Right, like that. So like his jawbone sort of goes this way. Might be a shadow under the ear, but roughly just loose sort of jawline going that way. So ear lines inside, so you just do like this sort of curvy letter J sort of shape. But if you want, of course, you can add more. He's got a bit of hair sticking down here, I think, and it's kind of shaved stubble, you know, it's not long curly hair or anything. So then the forehead sort of goes out this way. And sort of bumps around. He's got some lines on the top of his head here, so he's got some bumps and stuff just coming across through the skin of his forehead. And then the back of his neck, he's got a real big, he's got a strong neck, I must say. It's like it's very large there, and then the front of it here, and then we see his Adam's apple. Just before I do the hair, I'm just gonna get some muscles on his neck in. Right, so now I'll try and do all this hair. So very curly. Just basically loads of spikes. Curly hair, especially for the fringe. And some of them can be sort of long. It's kind of long, coming down here as well. And we're going to bring this all up and around his head now. Okay, so that's basically his hair. Maybe some bits sticking out here as well. Now the jersey, so he's like, his shoulders come down this way. Another shoulder bumping this way. And then he's got his sort of World Cup medal coming around his neck here. This is the strap for that. And then his collar. blue section there. And then we have all the Spanish lines, so all these different colors, right? Spanish crest is in here with that 1 star, which will now be obviously 2 stars. What's that? Yellow. Yeah, so like another blue line there. So it's like blue, red, yellow, blue, red, blue. Okay, and then the blue so goes that way. And then we get red one, just following the line for his shoulder. Blue, red, blue, yellow, and then blue again, and then red, and then blue. Right, and then there's some like yellow stripes or something going that way. Do. Alright, but it's basically how to draw Lamine Yamal, the World Cup final, with his shades on. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.